Listen up. If you're a founder wasting years chasing traditional VC money, stuck in endless pitch loops, and hearing nothing but vague promises, this hits home. You know the drill. Conventional VCs want a polished story. They want to see traction they can brag about. But what they rarely offer is real partnership or patience. You're locked in a maze where everyone's playing it safe, betting on the same tired sectors, asking for unrealistic equity, all while your vision waits in the sidelines. Starved for actual resources, real strategic input, and yes, cash that's willing to back the grind, not just the highlights. And investors? They're frustrated too. They want returns, but the traditional VC model often means slow growth, diluted stakes, and a game driven by hype cycles rather than actual value creation. Now the real pain. Corporate-backed funds are gaining ground faster than you think, and they're not playing by old rules. They bring deep pockets, yes, but what's killing the traditional VC hustle is their razor-sharp access to real markets. They don't just throw cash out and hope for a win. They jump in with clients, channels, distribution, and yes, some serious technical know-how that most VCs simply lack. Founders backed by corporations don't have to scream exit, exit every quarter because there's strategic value in building alongside massive platforms that hunger for innovation. For you, that could mean faster growth and a buffer from the hype-driven demands that kill long-term vision. But don't get it twisted. Corporate funds aren't a silver bullet. They have their own toxic traps. Bureaucracy, slow decision chains, hidden agendas that can kill your autonomy. Here's where you, the founder or investor, have to get brutal. Don't settle. Don't sign up with a corporate fund hoping they'll just hand over money like angels. Push them hard. Demand clear access beyond the cash. Real introductions, tech, customers, follow-on capital that doesn't feel like a hostage negotiation. Here's the cold, straight deal you need to lock in right now. If you're a founder, insist on platforms that come with more than just checks. Ask how they drive product-market fit with their industry intelligence. You want operational support, not just a handshake. You want strategic growth paths, not a waiting game. If they don't have that, walk. And to investors watching this, stop worshipping vintage VC for its nostalgia. It won't survive another decade like it did the last one. Corporate-backed funds are data-rich, network-connected, and if you play smart, they're a lever to reduce risk, speed exits, and actually build companies that scale beyond the tech bubble mindset. But you must be ruthless. Know exactly what you're betting on. Negotiate integration points that truly matter. Don't be passive. Corporate money flows with strings attached, sometimes choking growth if you're blind. Your job is to turn those strings into lifelines. The battle isn't old VC versus corporate funds. It's about how you pick and control your partners to build something that lasts. The winners know this. They don't just take money, they build relationships that fuel networks, product breakthroughs, global access. They push through the noise, avoid traps of complacency, and never settle for passive capital, no matter how shiny the check looks. If you're stuck choosing between outdated models or clumsy corporate checks, stop wasting time. Get laser-focused. Map the real value behind every dollar. Demand partnership, transparency, and actionable support. Push back on slow processes with urgency. Connect what capital means with how it moves your product, your team, your market. The ones who get this will leave the rest in the dust. So, founders, push every fund that comes knocking for a clear playbook on how they help you win, not just how they get equity. Investors, make corporate money your tool, not your trap. Use it wisely or lose control over what you're building. This isn't just about chasing returns. It's about breaking free from outdated funding games and grabbing the networks and resources that actually make your vision real. Stop waiting for permission. Stop guessing the future. Own it by choosing partners who hit hard, move fast, and think beyond the status quo. No more excuses. No more slow plays. Decide right now how you want your company to grow, and then fight tooth and nail to get the kind of backing that doesn't just talk about change, but makes it happen. Now go, subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.